few more problems of multiples and submultiple angles, right? So coming to the problem number 1. So read the question once. Show that root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta is equals to 2 cos theta, where theta is lies between 0 to pi by 16. Pi by 16. Okay. So let us take the LHS first of all. That is root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta. Okay. So coming to the next step. So these two please do not disturb, and coming to here can take 2 common, the last square root. If you take 2 common, then 1 plus cos 8 theta, isn't it? So cos 8 theta, can I write it as 2 into 4 theta? Isn't it, ma? 8 theta as 2 into 4 theta. Now this is like cos 2 theta, and that too 1 plus cos 2 theta. And we know already, we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to, actually 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 gets cancelled, which is equals to 2 cos square theta. Okay. So let us see how can we write this is root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root of, this is 2 into, okay, this is just like 1 plus cos 2 theta. Here 4 theta is just, you can compare with theta. Then if it is 1 plus cos 2 theta, then the answer is 2 cos square theta. That is 2 cos square theta means here 4 theta. So this is furtherly we can write it as 2 plus, see this is a 4 cos square 4 theta, but these are under the square root, hence root 4 is nothing but 2, and root of cos square 4 theta is again cos 4 theta. Isn't it? So once again we can take 2 common here. 2 plus root of, if you take 2 common, then 1 plus cos 4 theta, and 4 theta can be written as 2 into 2 theta. Okay. So see, this is 2 plus root of 2 into, this is once again just like cos 2 theta, but this time theta is 2 theta. In the place of theta we have 2 theta. So answer is actually 2 cos square theta. That is 2 cos square. Here theta is nothing but 2 theta. So this is once again root of 2 plus, anyhow 2 into 2 4, but root 4 is nothing but 2, and root of cos square is nothing but cos 2 theta. Isn't it? So as usual, once again we can take 2 common, then which is 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? Hence this is root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta is exactly 2 cos square theta. So once again it is root of 4 into cos square theta. So this is equals to 2 cos theta. Actually, you may have a doubt that why not it is a plus or minus, isn't it? Because of square root, it can be plus, even it can be minus. But my dear, since already provided the condition is, why because of since theta is lies between 0 to pi by 16. So clearly theta belongs to first quadrant. So in first quadrant, cos is anyhow positive, right? So hence the answer is 2 cos theta. Just the entire problem is based on a simple formula, that is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. So coming to the next question, prove that secant 8 theta minus 1 by secant 4 theta minus 1, which is equals to tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta. Okay. So first consider the LHS. What is given? Secant 8 theta minus 1 by secant 4 theta minus 1. Okay. So how can we write secant? Basically secant can be expressed as 1 by cos, right? So similarly here also 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1. Now if you go for LCM, this is 1 minus cos 8 theta by cos 8 theta into, so this can be written as cos 4 theta by 1 minus cos 4 theta. Okay. So see, we know that especially 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, actually 1 minus, when there is a minus, better to write cancel this 1, hence we need minus 1. I mean we have a formula 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos 2 theta. Now 1 minus 1 anyhow gets cancelled, which is equals to 2 sine square theta. What is this? 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now in the same manner, can you tell me for 2 into 4 theta? I mean, which is 1 minus cos 8 theta. Actually this is equals to 1 minus cos 8 theta. 8 theta I can write it as 2 into 4 theta. Now this is also just like 2 theta. See in the above, if it is theta, then we got it here also theta only, right? Now can you tell me now 1 minus cos 2 into 4 theta can be written as 2 sine square 4 theta, isn't it? Similarly 1 minus cos 4 theta, this I can write it as 1 minus cos 2 into 2 theta. So this is also just like 1 minus cos 2 theta, where theta is nothing but here 2 theta. So how can we write this one? Can be written as 2 sine square 2 theta, right? Now please replace those values here now. So which is equals to 1 minus cos 8 theta, can write it as 2 sine square 4 theta by, of course, cos 8 theta into cos 4 theta by 1 minus cos 4 theta can be written as 2 sine square 2 theta, isn't it? Now this is sine square 4 theta, no? Let me want to write sine 4 theta into sine 4 theta, and before that there is a into cos 4 theta. Can I write like this and write these two as a some combination? And this is cos 8 theta into 2 sine square 2 theta. This is as it is. right ma? So now let us see how can we furtherly simplify this. Okay, so see, this is just like 2 sin theta into cos theta. Formula for 2 sin theta into cos theta, what it is? Sin 2 theta formula, which is 2 sin theta into cos theta. If it is theta, then it becomes double 2 theta. Now here there is a 4 theta, hence the bracket can be written as sin 2 into 4 theta, which is 8 theta, into sin 4 theta. I want to write it as 2 into 2 theta whole divided by denominator. There is no change as it is, 2 sin square 2 theta, right? Now sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta, sin by cos, tan, and the angle is nothing but 8 theta into. So look at this, is just like once again sin 2 theta. So this is 2 sin theta, theta means here 2 theta, into cos 2 theta whole divided by what we have here, 2 sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta, we can write it. Now 2 cancel, sin 2 theta is also cancelled. Now this is tan 8 theta into cos by sin cot 2 theta. So that is tan 8 theta into cot 2 theta can be written as 1 by tan, that is by tan 2 theta. So which is RHS. So now almost all this question is just depending on the formula of 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, whereas earlier question is depending on 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is equals to 2 cos square theta. Most important formulas. So based on this, theta can be replaced with any value. So coming to the next question. So the beautiful question. Find the least positive value of x. Okay. Find the least positive value of x satisfying the condition that sin square 2x plus 4 sin power 4x minus 4 sin square x cos square x whole divided by 4 minus sin square 2x minus 4 sin square x, which is equals to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. So I mean, we need to find the least positive value of x for which this condition is true. Okay. So let us take this condition once again. I mean given. So what is given ma? This is everything is equals to 1 by 9. Right? Now see, this is sin square 2x. Nothing but sin 2x whole square. What is sin 2x whole square? So this is 2 sin x into cos x entirely whole square plus remaining terms you can write as it is. Okay, whole divided by 4 minus once again sin square 2x. So sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x, finally whole square, minus 4 sine square x, right, which is given as 1 by 9. Now what is this on squaring? This is nothing but 4 sine square x cos square x. So this term and this term cancel. One is positive and the other one is negative. Okay. Now let us see the remaining terms. That is 4 sine power 4x by 4 minus 4 sine square x into cos square x minus 4 cos square x, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay. So this furtherly we can simplify as, especially from these two, if we take 4 cos square x common, 4 cos square x common if you take, if not, do one thing, from first and last, better if you take 4 common, then this is 1 minus sine square x minus 4 sine square x into cos square x, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay. So furtherly, this is 4, 1 minus sine square x is cos square x minus 4 sine square x into cos square x, which is equals to 1 by 9. So therefore 4 sine power 4x by, in the denominator we can take 4 cos square x, you can take common, then this is 1 minus sine square x, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay. So now let us see, 4 gets cancelled. Therefore this is sine power 4x by, you look at this bracket, 1 minus sine square x is nothing but cos square x, and cos square x is again multiplied by cos square x, then we get cos square into cos square, which is cos power 4x, which is equals to 1 by 9. So therefore sine power 4 by cos power 4, which is tan power 4x, is equals to 1 by 9, and from this tan x is equals to plus or minus 4th root of 1 by 9. So from this tan x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Tan x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Since in the question already provided that the least positive value, so hence I can say that x is equals to pi by 6 tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. So among the x values we need positive value and moreover least positive value, right? So if you want, you can substitute the value of x here, pi by 6, in LHS, so that you will get RHS. Okay. So you can also verify with the value of x. So please go through this table. We already discussed how can we find the values of 15 degrees, 18 degrees, even 36, etc., etc. Now here is the table where we can represent all the values of these trigonometric ratios at a glance. Okay, so look at here, sine 7.5 degrees as well as 15 degrees, 18 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 36 degrees, even 67.5 degrees, etc, etc. Okay, so all these proofs are available in your material. Already most of them we already proved. Okay, so please go through the values of these standard functions. So coming to the next question, find the value of cos 36 degrees into cos 72 degrees into cos 108 degrees into cos 144 degrees. Okay, so actually here we may know about 36 degrees and 72 degrees, but exactly we don't know the values of cos 108 degrees and 144 degrees. But even though, no problem, we can find the value of entire this product. Look at here, see, this is what given. So here anyhow we know the value of cos 36, so I don't want to disturb. And coming to cos 72, can I write it as 90 minus 18 degrees? And what about this cos of 90 plus 18 degrees? We can write it. Okay. And what about 144? Cos of, can we write this as 180 minus 36? Can write it now? Now see the properties of quadrants, especially allied angles. See, using that we can simplify. Cos 36 degrees into, because of 90, cos changes into sine 18 degrees. Of course, which is positive only, because 90 minus, 90 minus theta. Yeah, anyhow, first quadrant positive. And coming to here, because of 90, now this is equals to sine 18 degrees. But you know, this is minus, because 90 plus theta is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. And what about last? So because of 180, cos remains as cos 36 itself. But you know, cos 180 minus theta, second quadrant, here it is negative. So everything is multiplication now here. So now finally minus into minus plus, and you know this is equals to, this is cos square 36, cos 36 into cos 36, which is cos square 36, and similarly sine 18 into sine 18 is also sine square 18 degrees. So we know already the values of these. One is root 5 plus 1 by 4 entirely whole square, and the other one is root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So then, because of both are squares, no, then can I write it root 5 plus 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 entirely whole square, isn't it? A square into b square can be written as a into b whole square. Now this is 4 into 4, anyhow 16, and numerator is just like a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square, which is equals to 4. 5 square, root 5 whole square is 5 minus 1, 4 by 16 and whole square. 4 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 whole square, which is equals to 1 by 16. So see the next problem. Show that 4 into sine 27 degrees is equals to 5 plus root 5 whole power half minus 3 minus root 5 whole to the power of half. So what is meant by whole to the power of half is nothing but root of 5 plus root 5 minus root of 3 minus root 5. Okay. So we need to find the value of 4 into 27 degrees, right? So let us take the square of this one because it is involving with the square root, no? So that's why square of this one is nothing but 16 into sine square 27 degrees, right? Okay. And furtherly, can I write it this as 8 into 2 sine square 27 degrees. Now, the term which is in the bracket is like 2 sine square theta. Do you remember 2 sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta. Right, ma? 1 minus cos 2 theta. Hence, according to that, this is 8 into 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 into 27 degrees, which is 54 degrees. And do you remember the value of cos 54? 8 into 1 minus cos 54 degrees value, root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. So now, furtherly simplification, go for cross multiplication. 4 minus root of 10 minus root 5 whole divided by 4. Now this 4 here 2 times. Okay. If you multiply with 2, then 2 4s are 8 minus 2 into root of 10 minus 2 root 5. And look at the magic here. 8. Since I need to get these two terms, if I write like this, 5 plus root 5 plus 3 minus root 5. See, is it equals to 8? No. Plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel. And 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. And minus 2 into root of 10 minus 2 root 5, nothing but let us see the product of these two. 5 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. If you simplify these two, what is the simplification for this? If you multiply with 5, 5 3s are 15 and minus 5 root 5 followed by plus 3 root 5 and plus into minus root 5 into root 5, which is 5. So 15 minus 5, which is 10, and minus 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5, which is equals to minus 2 root 5. So in the place of 10 minus 2 root 5, I can write the product of these two functions. Okay. So now coming to the next step, this is finally, can I say it as see, like a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is root of 5 plus root 5 minus root of 3 minus root 5 entirely whole square. Isn't it? See, a minus b whole square. A square value on squaring, root and square gets cancelled, hence 5 plus root 5. Plus b square value, this is also root and square cancel, which is equals to 3 minus root 5. And minus 2 root into root, anyhow whole root, 2 root ab. And you know, this is everything is 60 sine square 27 degrees now. This is, therefore from this can you write 4 sine 27 degrees is equals to root of 5 plus root 5 minus root of 3 minus root 5, isn't it? Of course, which can be written as 5 plus root 5 whole to the power of half minus 3 minus root 5 whole to the power of half. So finally we proved that the value of 4 into sine 27 degrees is equals to 5 plus root 5 whole to the power of half minus 3 minus root 5 whole to the power of half. Right? Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.